Hey, this is Miss Martin again. So I have something for parents, and this is an activity you can do with your child with any manipulatives that you have at the house, or if you're out and about at a park like we are today. I just gathered a bunch of different size rocks. So the first activity that I'm going to have the kids do is I'm going to say put them in order from the biggest to the smallest. So they would line them out from the biggest. They would compare which one would go next, and then next, next, and last. So we have biggest to smallest. And then you'd use specific words on, can you give me the biggest rock? This is biggest. So we're teaching biggest and smallest. Smallest rock. Then they would pull up the smallest rock. The next thing that we're going to do is patterns. And again, you can use anything with patterns that have colors. Specifically, today I'm just using biggest to smallest in patterns. So we're going to ask, I have some more rocks. We're going to ask the kids to make a pattern. We call it an AB, which means just two things. So my pattern's going to be something big, something small. Something big, something small. So AB pattern. So it's just being able to continuously repeat something big and something small, because again we're focusing on big and small today. Okay, that's the second activity you can do with this pile of rock. And the third activity you could do is patterns again, but this one is what we call ABC, which is a pattern of 3 items. So we're going to go biggest to medium size to smallest. Biggest, medium size, and smallest. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a pattern that they continuously would repeat. And again, with this pattern laid out, can you give me all the small rocks? So then they would pile all the small rocks in a pile. And how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. Can you give me all the big rocks? 1, 2, 3. Again, you can count them as they set them down or when they're done. And then, of course, the last 3. And that's it for today.